Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: router powered, LEDs stable, and phone Wi-Fi on. Open the Linksys app and sign in. Create an account if you don't have one. Once in, grant necessary permissions like location and Bluetooth so the app can detect devices. Make sure to place your phone within a few feet of the router. This speeds detection. Tap Add Device, follow the app prompts, and choose the exact router model to start the guided setup process. Once the app recognizes the router, you'll configure core settings. Select whether this unit is a primary router or a mesh node. The app adapts its prompts accordingly. Enter a clear SSID and a strong password, and enable a guest network if needed. This isolates visitors. Then set security options. Prefer WPA3 when available, change the default admin password, and accept any firmware update. Make sure to save changes. The router may You finish by validating the network. Check the connected devices list and run the app speed test to confirm throughput. Assign device names, set parental controls, and prioritize devices if you need low latency for gaming or calls. Once done, review settings and backup configuration if the app offers it. If anything goes wrong, no detection, or stuck during update, reboot the router and phone. If that fails, retry setup or perform a factory reset. Then repeat the guided process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.